Hi guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin yung weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Gemini for April 6 to 12. So, kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon, Rising mo, sa dulo ng video may link tayo para mapanood mo. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings or spellworks, you can message me or Fridays to Sundays, nasa O May Gulay tayo for face-to-face readings. For support, if you want to send support, use the join or the thanks button sa baba. Gemini. So we have here Not For You and Serendipity, Unfinished Symphony and Orphan, Regeneration, Imagine, and also Message in a Bottle. And yung deities is si Jupiter tsaka si Pluto. So, ano ba expect natin this coming week? Well, yun nga lang. You really need to, literal, usong gumalaw-galaw. Don't allow yourself to be stagnant, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. Andoon na kailangan mo talagang exercise. Then, literal, you need to also start expanding maybe your knowledge. Andoon na bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance para magkaroon ka ng, you sharpen your skills. Yung tipong, yes, because with the card of Serendipity and Not For You, parang you wanted more. Ang dami mong gusto, meron ka pang gustong i-target, may gusto kang i-achieve. Pero of course, there's a timing for that. Huwag mo madaliin sarili mo. Wala naman naghihintay na taxi sa'yo para magmadali ka. You also need to enjoy and enjoy mo yung moment. Mabuhay ka doon sa moment na yon. Kumbaga, breathe, hinga din. Huwag masyadong, alam mo yung naka-focus ka masyado into the future. Tama naman. Pero pag doon na lang yung focus mo, yung mga present blessings in life, mga simple things na hindi mo napapansin na nandyan, nami-miss out mo siya. So, it's time that you again go out and enjoy yourself, learn more, connect with people. Alam mo yun? Now, with serendipity, ito lang wag mong, kasi parang, kasi feeling ko kasi parang wala nangyayaring maayos or wala pinatutungan. Feeling mo lang yon. And feelings can lie. Ayan. So, ito yung moment na yung feelings mo, nagsisinungaling siya sa'yo. Kasi, like I told my mom, first time mo kasing nasanay na you're free. Wala kang responsibility, wala kang iniisip, wala kang pressure. So, doon daw, yung may nabasa ko na, when someone feels bored, it's because they feel safe din daw. Kasi parang first time, walang mga gumagambalang mga tao o mga responsibilidad sa kanila. Nakahinga sila, kaya na-bored sila kasi nasanay ka sa pressures in life. Now, dagdag natin to sunod, si Unfinished Symphony. Ayun, sinasabi doon ng card mong to na, yes, andoon na there are things that you promise to yourself na, I think gagawin ko, I think dapat mangyari, dapat ito yung gawin, ito yung mga bagay na i-achieve ko. That's good. Maganda yon. But the card is advising na, wag mo namang wag mo namang i-pressure ang sarili mo masyado. Kasi, with the number 5 or fun, yung siguro andun yung point na, ang dami kasi niya may feeling na you're always alone, na parang feeling nyo wala kayong kakampi. Alam nyo, kailang gumagawa ng sarili yung problema, sa totoo lang. Kayo lang naman naglalayo may iba sa inyo, kayo lang naglalayo ng sarili nyo sa mga ibang tao. Which is, hindi man pwede i-force yung mga tao na maging manghuhula lahat para hulaan nila kung ano nararamdaman mo, iniisip mo. Walang ganun, friend. It is time that you also learn how to open up. Ito yung mga naramdaman mong kinakatakutan mo, iniisip mo, gumagambala sa'yo, nagpapasaya sa'yo. Try to be more, maging open ka. Huwag masyado ka kasing close. So, it's time that you expand naman on that part. Again, kasi para sa'yo ng card, you're not alone. Andon lang, may mga kailangan kang baguhin na mindset mo. Siguro, andun yung point na, based on your experience, may mga tao talaga na sa kalahating, sorry sa term, gago. Pero hindi man lahat siguro, di ba? Kung meron ganun, of course, meron namang hindi. Andoon lang kasi, generalize mo naman yun. So, that's a you problem na kailangan mong ayusin. It's something that you need to heal from. Kasi kapag generalize mo naman lahat na nasa paligid mo is may Celtic, baka ikaw yung may Celtic na sa part na yun. Kasi generalize mo na. People, we are all different. Lagi tayo may pagkakaiba. Ultimo nga yung mga identical twins eh. Meron yung slight difference. Sino ba mga sikat na identical twins? Yung Gutierrez, yun, sila, kung nabutan mo yung Jabum twins, may mga differences pa rin sila. And that cannot be, hindi naman pwedeng ma-neglect. So, stop judging. Ayun, Gemini. Okay. So, dagdag natin dito, si regeneration, imagine, tsaka message in a bottle. So, andoon sa point na you're feeling now yung difference ng, kasi ang dami nga sa inyo, di ba, nagkaroon kayo ng mga movements sa inyong mga career, ganyan, in the last few months. So, ngayon yung nakakita yung parang, uy, bago to, this is something brand new. So, and babalik tayo with the regeneration. Give yourself the chance na, alam mo yun, na makahinga, to absorb what's around you, to understand, living your life in a level na masaya ka. Now, with the card of Imagine din kasi, so this card kasi, na nagpapaala sa'yo, magpakaano ka muna, in different areas sa buhay mo, magpaka-Dora the Explorer ka. So, explore different avenues sa life mo. Pwedeng sabihin natin, may mga lugar na gusto mo mapunta na hindi mo sure, go, explore mo, enjoy mo yon. Wag mo nang hintayin with the message in a bottle. Kasi ito with the message in a bottle, may upcoming news for you that will really, sabihin lang natin na medyo mag-shake ng core mo kasi mababago lahat yung routine mo. So habang hindi pa dumating yon, enjoy ka muna talaga. Kasi kapag dumating tong news na to, the message in a bottle number 15. Actually, 15 kasi sa tarot cards, kung tama ako, is the card of the devil, which is connected to Capricorn. And Capricorn is about career. So, alam mo na. Kasi pag dumating to, wala ka ng pahinga. So, ito yung moment that literal, paki-enjoy muna po yung buhay. Kumbaga sa isang single, kung single ka, enjoy mo muna yung single blessedness mo. Kasi kapag jumawa ka na, iba na namang i-level yun. So, this is your focus for this time. Ano ba yung sinasabi sa'yo ng deities mo? So, meron tayo si Jupiter, tsaka si Pluto. Jupiter is about liberation, opportunity, and expansion. Si Pluto naman, it's about completion, secrecy, and transformation. So, napapansin mo na parang yung, while the weeks, dumadaan yung mga linggo, may mga bago kang interest na ino-open yung universe. Parang, parang bet ko, or bago to. So, andoon na pupukaw yung attention mo. Which is a good thing kasi as an air element, syempre, knowledge, yung mind talaga yung pinaka-important sa learning is, kumbaga yun yung, form of relaxation mo. So, in-encourage ka ni Jupiter that, yes, open yourself in different topics. So, habang may hinihintay mo tong big news na to, i-prepare mo din yung sarili mo. Ano ba yung mga pwede mong, sabihin natin, may mga trainings ka nakita, online courses, certifications na pwede mong i-take. Go, i-take mo siya, use it para i-support yung expansion na binibigay sa'yo ni Jupiter. And that will also allow you, si Pluto, which is about transformation, na to really change yung level mo. So, ang maganda kasi kapag tinake mo yung mga nakita mong parang trainings or institutes or kung ano man yan, yung mindset mo is mashi-shift din siya. And that shift will be on a positive note naman. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. At kung gusto niyo pong supportan yung channel para lumago, click the join button or the thanks button. Private reading spell works, you can message me or every Friday and Saturday sa my Gulay po tayo for a face-to-face tarot reading sa session room. So, Gemini, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you soon. Mula po sa Diplomat Hotel in Baguio. Have a great day. Bye for now.